got my boy, man. This boy weird. Hey, George, what are you doing, bro?
You wanna see?
Yeah.
Come on.
Bro, I didn't know we was running.
Come on, man. Check it out.
How are we doing in the restaurant?
I'll show you.
Oh. Ooh.
No, one more time. Turn it on.
Sheesh.
Let's get it. Sneak peek, baby. You already know.
I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident I win till the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back for a fact. Trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil. I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're big in our city back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets.
And George, aka Sticks.
And we are back to business as usual.
Today, guys, we're going to be doing a fresh custom on a pair of high-top Vans.
Basically, there's going to be a lot of blue going on, there's going to be some drips, and there's going to be some glow in the dark.
The Vans are absolutely 100% monstrous. They are beat, so we're going to try our best to turn them into heaters. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys.
For them days I was hopeless, grinding to the top, little nigga, you don't know shit. Niggas beat me down and pick me up like they don't know shit. Niggas beat me down and pick me up like they don't know shit. Shit, the niggas on that hush shit. Niggas say they rockin' but moving the same motion. I've been climbing to the top of the chain like you ain't know it. Niggas switched up in your range, just how I wrote it. Put me in a field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slippin', put him in a body bag. Put me in a field, you know that I bounce back. Catch a sucker slippin', put him in a body bag.
Yeah, stop playing with me. Don't you know that I'm that nigga? I was born in the Bay, but I got niggas twisting fingers from the Bay to LA. But I like on my demons, I done got a little clout, bitches wanna eat my semen. Oh Jesus, diamonds on me gleaming. This one of my niggas, we gon' slide, we gon' freeze him. Never been a lame, I don't never wanna be it. When I slide, I beat it down, I'ma kill the heartbeat.
Blue face jumping out the window. You ain't tryna bust it open with your heel, boo. Wobbly, don't hurt em. Throw that ass in a circle. She all pills in a powder. That's a motivation for $1. I ain't knocking sis, fuck it up sis. Split them legs open like some chopsticks.
She strip for them strips, yeah, I fun with that. Shorty don't compensate if it ain't by the bag. Pretty face, nice shape, ain't no topping that. When she make the thing clap, she make a money snack. She smoked the whip before work, couple shots of Ciroc, watch her work. She know how to put on the show. Now watch how she working that pole. Take it off right now.
Strip for them blue strips. 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 Strip for them blue strips.
Come on, take it off right now.
I don't got blue, I just got green. Smoking this weed, she popping a bean. Strip for them blue strips. 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 Strip for them blue strips.
Go get her, girl, go get it. I ain't mad at you, girl, go with it. She gon' strip for them bands, that's all she know, nigga. Look how she in and dropping it to the floor with it. Ooh. She chase that back, she want that bag, them dollars, all she know. She want that cash, she get them bands, she shorty bout her dough. Say she want that bag right now. She stripping and looking back right now. Dollars, all cash right now. Slide up and down that boat, she get down.
My nigga Blair, you see that little bitch, how she dance over there?
I see that little bitch up in 2020. She stripping it down, making plenty bitch. And she needs some more like it's any mini. I'm sipping this lean, feel it in my kidney.
If she pop a beat, she don't fuck with Whitney. Bitches greedy, scraping every penny.
Strip for them blue strips. 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 Strip for them blue strips.
Come on, take it off right now.
I don't got blue, I just got green.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people.
Ooh, where I come from, it ain't peaceful. So I'm sliding with a weapon that's lethal. On the hunt for the evil. And that's the cops, cause they ain't treating us equal. They kill a black and get away like it's legal. They get away like it's legal. So many times, since way back, it's a sequel. It's pure facts, most crack is deceitful. We need unity in this world like crackheads need they needle. It's enough heart to spread around to the needful. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like, what's wrong with my people? I'm too solid to ever switch. Don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when all my trust in his ego, And I ain't never told my nigga. Live sealed so my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on my illa. Rather do 100 years in a hole, my nigga.
I was never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people. Some niggas folded on me, but I never fold. Fuck niggas, boy, I don't fuck with those. Can't even grindin', nigga. You know I'm on my toes. I do this for my mama, I put that on my soul. Your baby boy done did it now. Yeah, he killin' now. Yeah, they fuck with me now. Yeah, okay, I'm that nigga now. But niggas want me down, come flicking knock down. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on, so we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more. And when I'm done, just hold me down low. And I promise it won't be for long. Promise it won't be for long. Cause I put my all in this shit, so I'm going off of this shit. Yeah. I'm going off of this shit, cause I put my all in this shit.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I would never fold on my people.
Ball on him.
We finna ball on them.
I'm a ball on him.
Finna ball on them. Hey, finna ball on them. Finna ball on them.
See my pop smooth dope, probably why I'm a dope nigga. Mom ain't want me in them streets cause it wasn't no hope in them. OG laced me with the game, he threw me the fold nickel. Keep your eyes on your enemies and watch your folks, nigga. Say they wanna see you eat, but they praying you choke, nigga. Breaking out my shell, it get slimy like egg yolk. Putting on for my home, I do this for Fresno. See you jump the line before I said go, I let the thing go, you get penalized. Don't believe me, nigga, when I see these niggas, I'ma treat these niggas like a finish line. If it's beef, then we eat like it's dinner time. If you hate, nigga, go get in line. These niggas sweet like pumpkin pie. Bump the drawers with center eyes, send the biggest nigga, let the chopper rock and don't stop, nigga, till he minimize. These niggas ain't eating like Ramadan. Chopper leave a nigga traumatized. Soak a nigga like a sip aside, and I'm never high when it's drama time. Got this glazzy when it's greasy, I promise it won't jam. Better control your mans before he die in your hands.
And I'ma ball on them. Oh yeah. Now I got bad niggas in my wallet, and I ball on them. New chain, yeah. All black, Bruce Wayne, big ring, yeah.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys can also do us a huge favor and go down in that comment section right now. Let us know what you felt about this video, about the custom, the way it was laid out. Leave us as much feedback as possible so that way we know what to improve on. Also, if you check the description down below, we have all of our contact information, such as our social media handling, our website, and all that good stuff. Go ahead and check it out if you want to know the songs that were used. If you want to contact us, check it out.
And never forget to visit SPR15.com where you can find some steals, you can find some heat, and you can get some fresh apparel.
And if this is the first video you're ever seeing of SneakPeak and you don't know what SPR15.com is, it's our website. Check it out. Support your boys. But before we go, guys, we want to leave you with this.
Today's quote of motivation is, look in the mirror, and that's your competition. So from your boys here at SneakPeak, Benny G Buckets.
And George, a.k.a. Sticks.
It's only one way.
Thank you.
For them days I was hopeless, grinding to the top, little nigga, you don't know shit. Niggas beat me down and pick me up.
Contact information, for example, our socials, our website, which is...
Our socials?
Yeah.
Social security?
You're stupid, bro. That's what they're called. Your social medias?
I ain't never heard nobody call it social
That's
media.
what they're called, bro.
Bro, stop trying to get people that are social security numbers down there.
Oh my god, bro.
Alright, then, yeah, that's the end of this video.
Are you stupid? People that use Instagram and Snapchat and they're young kids, they don't know what social security numbers are.
Alright, we'll find out right now. I'll put that on Snap, see what people say.
No, bro.
Alright then, y'all. That's the end of this video.
What do people say? Our handles?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna just say social media handles, that way they won't be confused. Because they're gonna be like, they're your crossovers?
It's enough heart to spread around to the need for. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like a strong on my people. I'm too solid to ever switch. Don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when I'm
Alright then, y'all. That's the end of this video.
In the middle of my yard?
So my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on